Why are we better? We are the toughest and most dependable machine in the industry. We have the best fuel efficiency technology. The only machine in its class with a variable displacement pump. We lead the market with increased load capacity. Our 8-bar parallel lift loader provides powerful breakout forces, making light work of heavy loads. We go farther than the competition with a unique excavator boom design, extending reach and digging depth. We have also increased traction control to overcome tough terrain environments, which means better performance with less time, saving you money on every job. The Cat 426 F2 Backhoe Loader. Still here, still better.